Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 19th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So, anyways, on gold, like I've been saying, this totally looks like that 3, 4, 5 shape that you see at the end of a trend. If it is the end of a trend, it's likely the end of a wave 3 and the beginning of a corrective wave 4, which would look very similar to this wave 2 over here, in my opinion. But the whole thing is that we still do not have that breaker structure that would confirm that this wave 3 is complete. That tells me that if this does break structure back to the upside, that it could possibly just keep going up. There's no end of a trend yet, and when there's no end of a trend, there's always a possibility that it keeps going up. Now, if it does, which I still think is very likely, if it does go down and break this low, that confirms to me that we are in a wave 4, and a wave 4 should be a very overlapping pattern like this, lasting probably about 10 calendar days or more. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, this is the structure right here that would tell us that we're back into an uptrend. We don't have a break of that structure yet, and our analysis says that there is a possibility that it's going to go down and take out this low. So keep an eye on this right here. If this is a three-way pullback and it continues back down, I definitely would be recommending shorts. Unless it breaks this structure to the upside, I definitely would be looking at these moves to the upside as a possible pullback within a wave A of wave 4. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.